Okay, welcome. Back to our Jupyter notebook. We have run all the commands we learned in our previous videos and we're ready to go. This tutorial will be more about explaining the commands and less about learning new stuff. So let's begin from our first line. It is totally straightforward. We are importing the ArcGIS library and the GIS module. Continuing with the second line, we're passing the GIS module to the GIS variable. To understand more about the GIS module, you have to consider it as your entrance to the GIS database, where you can pass no arguments and you will have an anonymous user access, or you create your profile and entering using your username and password. The third line, we are setting the map variable equal to the gis.map, and the fourth line, we are running the map variable. Let's see more about the map variable. We run map.basemaps so that we can see all the values that the base map can have. Run the command. It can have the values of dark gray vector, gray vector, etc. Let's use one for example. Map.basemap is equal to, as you can see, I don't have the S in the end. I'll run my personal favorite, the hybrid. Run. As you can see, the base map of our map has changed. Let's run another one. I'll use the terrain. Run the command. It changes again. Let's now learn how we can draw shapes to our base map. To draw shapes, we have to run the map.draw command. It needs as an argument the shape we're gonna draw. We're gonna draw a point. It can take the values of circle, ellipse, polygon, polyline, multipoint, point, rectangle, and triangle. Let's draw the point. Run the command. If you go back to the map, you can see that we can draw a point. Let's run also the circle. Run the command. Go back to the map, and you can see we can draw a circle. To clear the graphics, we can use the command map.clear graphics. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.